And hey everyone, welcome back where we break down the latest in tech so you don't have to. I'm AI Tech and Science, and today we're diving into a busy week in the world of technology. From AI taking over your Xbox to OpenAI's surprising new direction, let's get into it. And first up, Google is stepping up its game in the fight against online scams. New AI-powered tools are being rolled out to detect and warn users about potential fraud. With online scams getting trickier by the day, this could be a game changer for digital security. Meanwhile, Microsoft is testing an AI chatbot for the Xbox platform. The goal? To enhance player interaction, offer support, and maybe even bring some AI-powered fun to your gaming experience. Imagine Cortana, but way more helpful. In a major shift, OpenAI is now officially a public benefit corporation. What does that mean? It suggests a stronger commitment to aligning their AI development with broader social good, not just profit. According to a new ZDNet Aberdeen survey, only a small percentage of Americans are willing to pay extra for AI. That's a hint to tech companies: make AI either indispensable or invisible. Also, Gemini AI, Google's advanced model, has officially landed on the iPad. More access, more power, and potentially more users engaging with cutting-edge AI right from their couch. But it's not all smooth sailing. ZDNet is raising alarms about the risks of multimodal AI. That's the kind that can analyze text, images, and more. And yes, it could be misused, especially with sensitive or dangerous content. The message? Power comes with responsibility. In a head-to-head comparison, ChatGPT's deep research skills are standing out. The AI competition is heating up, and ChatGPT is holding strong in the race. And finally, there's a talent gap at the top. A ZDNet report finds many CEOs feel their executive teams just don't get AI. That's a wake-up call, because leading in tech means understanding it too. So, what do you think? Is AI evolving too fast or not fast enough? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a beat from. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips, reviews, and breakdowns every week. Got questions or something you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay updated, and keep exploring the future of tech.